We're at one of those home decor stores out here, and I'm going to show you how you can see something in the store and remake it with your CNC for your own personal use. So you don't have to spend money. You can use all the stuff you already have around in the shop. Come with me as I explore the store here and see what we can find. A lot of these are really simple projects, like this Tyrannosaurus, for example, is just a profile cut. Or if I zoom in and take a look at this light switch cover, this, again, just a profile cut that's been painted with 3 pockets that have been cut. But not what I want to do, so let's keep looking around and see what we can find. Oh, I think I see it. A project I get asked for over and over again is something that can be given as a gift for a housewarming or a pet lover. So let's do something that is going to work for both of them. So first, I'm going to go ahead and grab this, and I'm going to want to take a photo of it. So I'm just going to find an empty shelf, and I'm going to come over and take a quick snapshot with my camera. Now that we have the camera, let's go back home and go into VCarve to design. Okay, so as you can see, I imported our image that we took at the store as my reference, and I went ahead and recreated using VCarve Pro to create the sign. Now, what's cool about this is I went ahead and created all of these text toolpaths and created them into vectors and set this all up. I actually have the whole 20-minute video recorded, so if you're interested in that, I'll post it on YouTube as well, so just check my channel and you'll see that whole tutorial there as well. But now that we've got this all created, I went ahead and set it up first as a profile around the edge. Then we've got pockets for all of the text and the empty spaces that we need to cut out, and then the final profile to cut it out. So if I quickly calculate everything and preview it, you'll see that this is what it's going to look like when we cut it out. So let's go do that on the CNC. First, I will take some 1/2" MDF and square it to 14 inches. This is actually a new table saw for me. I got this off of Facebook Marketplace as my construction grade table saw just wasn't keeping up anymore. It was not as powerful as I needed. But Sawstop or Harvey, if you're looking for somebody to do a review, let me know. Over to the CNC, I'll add some double-sided tape and then clamp it down. This project is only using 2 bits. First, for the detail work is the little B bit, and then for the profile cuts and the cutouts is the Slim Gen bit, both from Cadence Manufacturing. I'll put links in the description below. If you use code DUFF5, you'll get a little discount. The CNC will cut the details first, and then I cut out the profile. Once the CNC is finished, I'll take it off the tape and take it over to the drum sander to clean up the bottom with all those little fuzzies. Next, I'll use a hammer and chisel to take off the tabs and use the chisel to cut away any leftover tabs. Then it's off to sanding, which brings us to this week's Sanding Thoughts with Duffey Woodcraft. Have you heard of the Basenji? It's a small dog that is known for being clean, odorless, and barkless. While the exact cause of the Basenji's inability to bark is a bit of a mystery, it's common belief that the internal structure of their throat is the underlying cause. However, they are not soundless, as they yodel from time to time. Sanding is all done. I'm over to paint. I'm using a sky blue for this project. Now, you're probably going, hey Alex, why didn't you use a mask so you can do some black outlines? Well, I did. I've been hiding it this whole time for you. So I'm using some Aura mask here. Actually, I'm using the brand Vivid mask, which I find works a lot better than Aura mask. I'll put a link in the description, and then I'll cut that out on the CNC. So first I apply that mask, cut it out on the CNC, and then I spray the details with black, peel it away, and then I cut out the profile cut and the cutouts. Then I'll switch this around and paint from the back side so I can get all the sides and edges. Now, for touch-ups, I'll go ahead and just spray a little bit on the paintbrush and touch up where it needs to be. Then finally, I'll add a metal hook to the back to hang this up. And there we go, project is complete. It took me 2 days to do this project. Most of that time was waiting for the paint to cure. The cost of this project is $15 for the 2 of them, so $7.50 a unit. Most of that cost come from the MDF and the paint. The little pieces on the back cost 25 cents a piece that I get them on Amazon. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to have the full VCarve tutorial of how I did this project on my YouTube channel. I'm launching it right after this video goes live, so make sure you watch that as well. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments and let me know, or other projects you would like to see. I have new product videos coming out every 2 weeks, so make sure you're subscribed and give me a like, because that really helps my channel grow. Thank you so much again. Have a great week, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.